When people look for job-ready training that can help them move into a new career, two major options often stand out: LinkedIn Learning and Google Career Certificates. Both offer practical courses, recognized credentials, and real skills that employers trust. But the way they help you learn and the paths they open feel very different. The best choice depends on how deep you want to go and how structured you want your training to be. Let's start with LinkedIn Learning. This platform offers thousands of courses in business, technology, data, creative fields, and professional skills. It is built for flexibility. You can learn at your own pace, choosing the topics that matter most to your goals. The lessons are short, cleanly produced, and easy to follow. If you want to build skills steadily over time, LinkedIn Learning makes it simple. One of its strongest features is variety. You can study communication, leadership, marketing, data analysis, project management, and more, all within a single subscription. This makes LinkedIn Learning ideal for people who want to strengthen a broad set of job skills rather than commit to a single career track. You also get certificates of completion that appear on your LinkedIn profile, which helps employers see your progress and interest in development. Now let's talk about Google Career Certificates. These programs are much more structured. They are designed to help you enter a specific field, such as data analytics, information technology support, cybersecurity, user experience design, or project management. You follow a clear path from start to finish, building job-ready skills step by step. The instruction is practical and focused on tools that companies actually use. One of the biggest strengths of Google Career Certificates is employer recognition. Many companies understand what the certificates represent, and the programs are built in partnership with industry professionals. This means the lessons prepare you directly for entry-level roles. The courses often include hands-on projects, case studies, and guided exercises, giving you experience you can add to your resume. So which one is the best choice for job-ready training? If you want broad learning, ongoing development, and the flexibility to grow in multiple directions, choose LinkedIn Learning. If you want a focused career path, guided training, and a clearer route into a specific role, choose Google Career Certificates. Both options help learners become more employable. The right choice depends on whether you prefer open exploration or structured career preparation.